contact me directly for all your real estate needs in the Columbia Valley. And to look at all the current listings, go to teamrice.ca. If you like this video, be sure to do a thumbs up and subscribe at the button below. Looks can be deceiving at this Invermere Real Estate listing. Come on in. Take a look at this view that you get sitting at your dining room table. And this nice new kitchen with big island, stainless steel appliances, and open concept living space. It's huge. Nice and bright as well with another big window. The designer come in and do some unique features in some of the bedrooms. As well, it's hard to believe that this place has 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. These ones across the hall have that amazing view I just showed you. Let's see if we can find it again. There we go. Here's your walkout basement with a full rec room, wood stove, again lots of windows, covered deck. This Invermere home has one really unique thing about it, and it's this view. Take a look at that, Mount Swansea, and a nice big yard with garden fenced to keep the deer out, massive deck for outdoor living space, and everything's been redone on this house so you can move in ready. Thank you for watching this video. I'm DK Rice with Team Rice at Royal LePage, Rockies West Realty, serving the Columbia Valley in the beautiful